Today I have a question for you. How does it feel like to have a shop filled with items you want to sell with a ready market, ready customers with shorty? And I'm talking about every single item in the shop. Wouldn't that be nice? But you know, in reality, one would say that is not possible. Anyway, I'm offering you something like that today. And what am I talking about? I'm talking about a situation where you buy plots of land as a store of wealth with an assurance of sales at a particular time. I'm not talking about in the sweet by and by. So you have a situation where you have bought 3 plots of land, 1 plot of land, 20 plots of land with a ready buyer to buy from you at a stipulated time. It could be 6 months and it could be 12 months. I'm offering you an investment opportunity that allows you to own an investment within a specified period of time with a guarantee of return on your investment plus capital. So we have credible real estate investment companies that we are partnering with who have chosen to make you the investor, their partner. The way it works is that you pay for a certain number of plots as your capacity can accommodate, with an assurance of buying back from you at a percentage. So you'll be earning on your investment what we call dividend. So you'll be earning your capital and the dividend at the end of 6 months to 12 months. And the offer is very sweet. But I'll wait for you to call, give me a call before I tell you what percentage you'll be earning. But I can assure you it can never be less than 40%. It might even be more. So you want to give me a call or you want to discuss what the options are, I'm just a phone call away and I'll be very glad to show you how this works fully.
Allow me to clear your doubts by answering the questions on your mind. Short resale is a business model whereby you buy square meters of land within one of our developing estates, hold it for 6 to 12 months, and resell back to us for profits, which will then be paid back to you as dividend at the end of your preferred investment tenure. Now, be rest assured that Landgate Real Estate Proceeds is a licensed scheme duly registered with the relevant authorities, and the company is actively involved in profit-yielding development projects to which your money will be put to use. After depositing your investment amount with us, you get the following articles of security: a receipt of payment and acknowledgement letter, a deed of agreement, a postdated check that covers your investment amount plus accrued dividend, and a life insurance cover by a reputable financial institution within your investment tenure. Are you now wondering if there's still an icing on the cake? Oh, sure! Investing up to 5 million naira and above qualifies you for a valuable gift. The next thing you want to do is to call the number on your screen. Ciao.